Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique Chantal Latoya and you're watching Mo's Agenda. And on the agenda for today is a weekend vlog. And it's a little bit different this weekend because it is my grandfather's funeral. And that's really what the rest of the video is gonna be, except for like we included the beach day. That was the day after the funeral. And yeah, it was a tough weekend, an interesting weekend, a good weekend. It's always good to see family. I personally feel like at this point, funerals should just be called family reunions because as children of God, people who believe in God, I do feel like our grandfather went to a better place. And, it's really a celebration that he has completed his journey here on earth and he's on to bigger and better things as far as I'm concerned. So it's really a family reunion type of celebration. And yeah, I enjoyed the weekend to say the least. It wasn't the best of terms why we were all gathered in one place, but I would be lying if I say I don't enjoy seeing my family, especially if I haven't seen them in forever. So that is what the rest of the video will be, is basically going through little snippets of my grandpa's funeral, and then it will be a beach day. I just wanted to hop on because we are actually in the midst of packing to get ready to leave Florida, and I want to be able to post this video before that. So yeah, I wanted to hop on and give you guys a gist. I know I look crazy and whatever, but I realized I didn't do an introduction in the video while I was editing, so I said let me hop on and do an introduction. And then I also just wanted to, give memorandum to my grandfather. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, he whipping that little limo. Yes. Cadillacs. Yeah. Mommy, you need to change your socks. I bought us some socks. You gotta change your socks. You gotta change your socks. I bought us some socks.
Yeah, no. My little niece has just gotta go for daddy. One for daddy.
Milani, hold mommy hand. We'll go for daddy soon, okay? So I wasn't sure that I was going to include this video. I actually took this video so I can steal pictures from it. But then I've watched this video a million times and I loved it. I love seeing us trying to coordinate just to get a picture. But for reference, my grandfather had 7 children. My father is his eldest child, and I am the oldest grandchild. And I haven't seen a lot of my cousins since they were babies. They hate when I say this, but I am significantly older than them, but we just look good. I look good. And I haven't really gotten a chance to know them as they've grown up because I just, I have my own life separate from that. But we're all over 18 now, and I loved spending time with them, seeing them, learning about them, learning their lives, learning what they like. You know, my sister and I try to dig deep, get into their business, and it was just beautiful. Like, we even decided that we were going to later that night hang out because we don't normally do that, and we need to start doing more hanging out, or more hanging out. We need to start doing more planned cousin events. Getting ready to go to the beach. Thank you.
Oh, that's cute. A little fat handle holder camera.
Right.
You ready for the beach, mamita? We ready for the beach.
On gang.
Girl, look. Tell me when I lost this.
That's number 2, ain't it? I feel like I
3.
see 3, or the pinky. I keep forgetting the pinky. Yeah.
Girl, I don't know when I lost this one though. I seen that. Oh, I ain't even making downstairs.
I think they're too thin.
Yeah.
Now you need the convertible. You ever seen that where the convertible, they like this window got to be this size and this way in order for your hair to go back.
Oh, it's gonna be all up.
Uh-huh. Oh, the water look pretty at this beach.
Marie.
Right? I got it.
Which verse you remember?
I don't remember nowhere, babe.
Tom, let's go.
My husband trying to get me to remember something after I was drunk in the elevator.
I
So you don't look over there?